Have you ever noticed that an eagle and a crow may share the same sky, yet they never live the same life? One spends its time chasing noise, the other rises above it. That simple difference carries one of the most powerful lessons about success, focus, and personal growth. Today, you'll discover why the eagle has inspired leaders for centuries and what its behavior can teach us about becoming mentally stronger while improving your advanced English. Imagine two people starting life with the same opportunities. One becomes distracted by criticism, gossip, and endless comparison. The other protects their attention, keeps learning, and focuses on meaningful goals. Years later, their lives look completely different. Psychologists often describe attention as one of our most valuable resources. Where your attention goes, your future often follows. Highly successful people understand that protecting their focus is just as important as developing their skills. The eagle does not waste its energy trying to win every fight. Instead, it saves its strength for what truly matters, finding opportunities, reaching greater heights, and surviving difficult conditions. That mindset is surprisingly similar to the habits of high performers. The lesson is not about birds, it is about choices. Every day you decide whether to spend your energy on distractions or on your dreams. That decision quietly shapes your future. Four powerful lessons from the eagle. Lesson 1. Protect your focus. One of the greatest strengths of an eagle is its extraordinary vision. From high above the ground, it can detect opportunities that other birds never notice. Successful people develop a similar habit. They focus on their goals instead of constantly watching what everyone else is doing. Distractions are everywhere. Social media, endless comparisons, and negative opinions quietly steal our attention. But people who achieve extraordinary results learn to protect their focus like their most valuable possession. Lesson 2. Rise above the noise. Crows are often loud and restless. Eagles, however, spend far less energy on noise and far more on direction. The lesson is simple. Not every criticism deserves your attention, and not every argument deserves your response. Psychologists have discovered that people who constantly react to every distraction often lose sight of their long-term goals. The strongest minds choose their battles carefully. Sometimes the greatest victory is simply moving forward. Lesson 3. Choose your environment. Every environment shapes your thinking. Spend enough time around negativity, and it slowly becomes normal. Spend time with people who inspire growth, and your perspective begins to change. Like the eagle, you cannot always control the winds around you, but you can decide how high you choose to rise. And sometimes that single decision changes everything. Lesson 4. Face the storm. Most birds fly away when a storm approaches. Eagles often use powerful winds to climb even higher. Life works in a similar way. Challenges can either break your confidence or build your character. The choice depends on how you respond. Successful people understand that every setback carries a lesson. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" they ask, "What can this teach me?" That simple question transforms failure into growth. The eagle does not become extraordinary because it is stronger than every other bird. It becomes extraordinary because it protects its vision, chooses its direction carefully, and refuses to waste energy on unnecessary distractions. The same principle applies to successful people. Remember, this story is not really about eagles or crows. It is about the decisions you make every single day. Choose focus over distraction. Choose growth over comfort. Choose purpose over noise. The sky is wide enough for everyone, but only those who keep looking forward discover how high they can truly fly. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this advanced English listening practice, subscribe to Mind English for more inspiring stories, powerful psychology, and advanced English that helps you think, learn, and grow. See you in the next lesson.